Hello and welcome to Signal Hire. Today I'll guide you through the system and show you how easy the sourcing process could be. So this is the candidate page, the place where you can search for new talents. The sourcing tool supports boolean logic. So let's run a search for developer or engineer based in New York. So we're gonna put developer or engineer. Based in New York. And here we have the keywords and we're gonna put the skills in here. So for example, let's say that I want this engineer to be able to use Java or PHP. Now this ready to switch algorithm use big data science, social signals, and machine learning to analyze social behaviors of the candidate and makes a prediction if they would like to switch their current job, even if there are no signs of that. So we can click ready to move, but just don't click unique profiles because this will show you people who are not on LinkedIn. And we need LinkedIn profiles for our clients, so just don't click that. And then here you have advanced search. You can include company. Let's say that I want this engineer to work for PayPal, for example. PayPal. Can we do that? Oh, yeah. Just don't forget quotes. And I want him to have 4 years of experience and the industry. That's not mandatory. So like if you put the company, you don't really need industry. But if you don't have a company, then you can choose the industry instead. And then we search. Okay, so this is what I got. This is where you can see your search results. Each candidate comes with a brief profile here, and if you click on them, you can see a little bit more of information. For example, the skills and the work experience. But the most important feature is that if you click on Reveal Contact, you will get their email addresses and a LinkedIn profile. So if I click on that, I will get email address and I will spend one of my credits. Right now I don't have credits, so I won't be able to use that option, but just if you click on that, you will see it. Now there's another option to get email addresses with Signal Hire, and that is with LinkedIn. So in order to do that, you have to download the Signal Hire Chrome extension, and that will integrate that, and you are going to be able to get email addresses from LinkedIn. It also works with the LinkedIn Recruiter and Sales Navigator if you have it, but if not, you can simply get email addresses from your dashboard. Let's say that I want to get Alejandra's email address, so I will just click on her and I will get the Signal Hire extension button here, and I will just click on Reveal Contact. So that's a cool extension. You can download it, but also you can get the email addresses from here as we already seen. So if you have any doubts, please reach out, and thanks for watching.